Well, hello and good morning to episode 29 of Diver Dave's Social Distancing Omelet Series. Today, we're going to make an omelet within an omelet. I'm going to take some KATZ'S Pastrami, some Kerrygold butter, one large egg, and about a half a cup of egg whites. I'm going to build a scrambled egg with pastrami. Then I'm going to fold that into an egg white omelet. Egg in an egg with pastrami. What is more cholesterol generating than this? I don't know, but that's my mission for today. Let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to take this one egg and make it disappear. Voila! It's gone! Now, under a mighty low flame, I'm going to melt about a tablespoon of butter. Butter! Yay! While the butter is melting, I am now going to heat the KATZ'S Pastrami. Hey, Katz! Can't you deliver every day? I need cholesterol every day. Look at that. Oh, that's gonna be good. Oh, yes, good omelet, good eating. Let's get that nice and juicy and cooking. Okay, so now while the pastrami is warming up, I'm going to take the butter and beat it into the one egg. Using the baby bowl today. And now that's one well-beaten egg. Okay, now that the pastrami is nice and warmed up and added all that lovely beef fat to the pan, we're gonna add the one single solitary large egg to the pan. And mix it around. Now I'm going to let this cook a little bit and start on the egg white pancake. All right, so now I'm pouring the egg whites into the pan and I'm going to dome it up and let that cook. Okay, the first part of our lovely mixture is finished. So now I'm going to set the pastrami off to the side and with the eggs and wait for the egg white omelet to be formed. So now let's check on the egg white omelet. That's looking nice. Still got a little loose egg white on top. Let's see if we can get a flip today. Okay, not the best flip in the world. Definitely not gonna rate high with the judges, but a flip is a flip. Now I'm going to take my pastrami. Oh, and another horrible flip. Oh, the judges are hating this today. This is a catastrophe. The USA omelet team is not going to medal tonight. Now we go for the close. We do have a nice closure. We're gonna let that just solidify a little more. And then we're gonna just plate her up. Okay, so now you can see it's a nice crispy outside. I'm gonna plate her up. Now look at that. That's pastrami with a single scrambled egg inside an egg white omelet. Let's kill the flame. And now we're gonna go in for the taste test. Okay, so here we are with our lovely scrambled eggs and pastrami inside an egg white slipping omelet. Now we're going in for a taste. Want to get a little of the pastrami from KATZ'S Deli. God bless you, KATZ'S Deli. Some egg white and some scrambled egg. Ooh, is this hot? Now this is a little bit of heaven for a rainy Monday morning. Well, I know what I'm having for breakfast. Hope you're gonna enjoy yours as much as I'm gonna enjoy mine. Have a great day.